Good evening, all of you. Today's date is 23 May 2022. First of all, this is the original video. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Sachin Sanjay Guge. Basically, I am from Mumbai Maladish. I did the BE in Mechanical Engineer in 2021 from Nasik in SVIT Sir Vishweshwarya Institute of Technology. I did also the diploma in mechanical engineering in 2017 from Amrit Mohini Polytechnic Sanganmer. I have a 1 year experience in mechanical industry, but recently we will going to build our career in IT industry, and that's why we will join the Hepshine Institute in Pune, Dhankaudi, and we will start to learning the full stack web developer in Java. So let's come to the point. Today's our topic is synchronization in Java. So basically, what is meant by synchronization? Synchronization in a Java, the capability to control the access of manipulation thread to any shared resources. Java synchronization is better option where we want to allow only the thread access the shared resources. So why we use the synchronization? There are mainly two reasons. First one is to prevent the thread interfaces, and second one is to prevent the consistency problem. So the types of synchronization, there are two types of synchronization. First one is process synchronization, and second one is thread synchronization. Thread synchronization, there are two types of thread synchronization: mutual exclusive and inter-thread communication. First one is mutual exclusive. In mutual exclusive, there are two methods: synchronization method, synchronization block, and static synchronization. So exclusive. Mutual exclusive helps to keep the help the keep thread from interfacing with one another while sharing data. It can be achieved by using three ways. First one is by using synchronization method. Second one is by using synchronization block, and third one is by using stack synchronization. So we will take the basic examples of synchronization. You will understand what is meant by synchronization. So there are in so suppose we have one class, and we have two people have working in class. We have two people standing in outside the class, and we give the two tasks. There are tasks in to place or keep the chairs. The chairs are two types: red chairs and blue chairs. And there are I have two peoples and outside this class, and we will give this task to complete this task. And we are saying the both peoples to keep the one side blue chair and one side green chair at a time. So this is confusing. First one is red chair is keep, and first one is yellow chair is keep. So mismatching and lots of error is formed. That's why we use the synchronization. So the first task is completed, red chair is keep. After that, yellow chair is coming and keep this yellow chair. So avoid the lots of error and avoid the lots of losses in this method. So this is synchronization. Synchronization is used. So I hope you will understand today's of synchronization topic. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.